Freddy YouTube's update video for the system. So I upgraded my power wire. I'm not going to say what kind of wire this is, but it's pretty fucking beefy. I put on my own connectors. This is the kind of failed attempt, but it still works good. It's 10 gauge. Holds up to 250 amps. Works great for my shit. So, here's the Frankenstein monster cables I put together. I put on my own speed connectors. Same thing for here, which worked out pretty well. I put some red tape on this one so I really can't confuse positive to negative, because this one's bright red and I put red tape on it. So, here we go. Here's the Crunch B1100.2. I had this on the 15s earlier, and this thing pushes a lot of power, surprisingly. Actually, I would have to say it's more powerful than my Rockford Force Gate. So I'm going to be building an amp rack. It's going to go right up there. That's where this thing's going to be mounted to. I'm probably going to get another one. And I'm getting 2 more of these 15s. I have 4 of these. And I'm going to have another one over there. Then I'm going to have the diamonds. Everything's being situated, so I'm not sure how I want to do everything just yet. But this is just an update. So, power is most important. So I upgraded from this crap, some really cheapo 8 gauge. This is an 8 gauge, supposedly. Very thin gauge wire. Here is the wire I'm running now compared to the 8 gauge. Here's the 8 gauge is the blue, and these are the new wires. This is a 10 gauge, this states to be an 8 gauge, so you can tell a big difference in your power transfer, and that's all that matters. More power flow, the better. This is actually rated at 60 amps. This is only 30 amp supply, even though it's not sufficient enough. If this light still doesn't dim, I don't see any difference, pretty much. Alright, stay updated.